What is the objective of this practical? The objective of this practical is demonstration of ECG by using PowerLab system. Now we will understand the principle of this practical. The beating of the heart is associated with electrical activity and sound. The pattern of this activity is recorded from the body surface with the help of electrodes. This pattern is called the electrocardiogram or ECG. The PowerLab system is a recording instrument that measures the electrical signals after modifying them. What are the requirements for this practical? In order to perform this practical, you will need a PowerLab system, a cardio microphone, clamp electrodes, alcohol or spirit swabs, and an electrode gel. What is the procedure of this practical? First, we will record resting ECG. Ask the subject to relax. Then attach the clamp electrodes to the subject's limbs. Attach the negative electrode to the right arm, the positive electrode to the left arm, and earth to the right ankle of the subject. Then click Start to record resting ECG. After a few heartbeat cycles, click Stop. Then we will record ECG by using cardio microphone. Plug the cardio microphone onto the PowerLab system. Then place it on the left side of the subject's chest where the heart sounds are best heard, and hold it firmly in place by the sticking tape. Then click Start to record ECG and cardio microphone signals. After a few seconds, click Stop. What are the interpretations? Using the marker and waveform cursor, select the ECG channel as active. Then place the marker on the R wave. Then select the event channel as active. Then use the waveform cursor and select the event signal going high. Note this time. Now select the ECG channel as active. Then place the marker on T wave. Then select the event channel as active. Then use the waveform cursor and select the event signal going high. Note this time. Now we will understand interpretation of recordings from cardio microphone. First, note the relationship between the R wave and the first heart sound. Select the ECG channel as active. Then place the marker on the peak of R wave. Then select the event channel as active. Then use the waveform cursor and select the beginning of the first heart sound. Note this time. Then identify the relationship between the T wave and the second heart sound. Then select the ECG channel as active. After that, place the marker on the peak of T wave. Then select the event channel as active. Now use the waveform cursor and select the beginning of the second heart sound. Note this time. What are the precautions? Take care while handling the PowerLab system. Check for any loose connections and electrodes should be placed properly. Here are your study questions. Why does the QRS complex have the largest amplitude? Why ventricular contraction or systole and the lub sound occurs immediately after QRS complex, and why ventricular relaxation or diastole and the dub sound occurs after the T wave?